Soren here at MarineMax, Baltimore, taking you through the 2020 Sea Ray 270 Sundeck. Notice it's got a great horizon hull, matches really well with the white engine. As you can see, it's a Merc 300. It's got the new design where you can actually access the oil and the oil check from the top. See back here, very spacious seating in the aft. These will lift up for a nice ergonomic effect. Back here, you open this up and you have complete storage all the way throughout. You have your cup holders and a plug-in for your phone. As we move through here to the transom, you'll notice you have a Fusion remote as well as a wash down. Moving further forward, on your side too, you do have a nice step down from the dock. Plenty of seating through here throughout the whole cockpit. And you can bring the seat forward to kind of open up the space some more on both the port and starboard side. There's a table that will come in here, allow you some more entertainment space. You do have a sports tower on the top, allow you to get the wakeboard line up out of the water. Plenty of storage here on the floor, midship as well as forward. Here at the helm, a nice thigh-rise bolster, digital shift, nice Simrad display, as well as another remote for your Fusion stereo. Here on the port side, you have a spacious day head. As you move through, you notice you have a windshield that comes over, as well as a windscreen for those windy or chilly days. Then you get into the bow. As you see, this Sundeck has great bow seating. Also, another table that can go here. You have your armrests, grab handles along the way. This boat also has a windlass system for anchoring out, as well as a forward washdown. Thank you for watching the 2020 Sea Ray 270 Sundeck. Please give us a call or stop in for a demo.